Yeah, so architectural dimming is a kind of beyond code solution. So for instance, when you want to go beyond energy savings into comfort convenience type controls, where you're dimming systems over long fades, where you have a unique interface control with Equinox touchscreens or with door and keypads. And so it's really relevant to applications like hospitality, retail, applications like healthcare and higher education. So it's really when you want to go beyond code and have your energy savings, but also have really discrete control over any kind of lighting.
When we think about the best solution for the project, we want to start by asking some questions of the customer to understand really what they're trying to accomplish and what's important to them. If it's all about, getting a system that's code compliant, out of the box, easy to install, and easy to operate in the space, DLM is probably going to be a great option. But equally, there's a lot of applications where architectural dimming might make more sense. For example, if you need to do complex divide and combine, if you're trying to dim a lot of different types of loads, or if you just prefer a centralized dimming system rather than distributed, architectural dimming is going to be the way to go.
So beyond even lighting loads, we can control shades. Someone was just talking in one of our sessions about controlling patio heaters at a restaurant, so changing the temperature of patio heaters. So really a good beyond lighting is integration with other building systems.
We've engineered two distinct systems in DLM and architectural dimming, but they're also flexible enough to be combined when you need to leverage some of the benefits of both.